Hello friends, welcome to Cloud4Green Technologies. In this video, we will study about the search campaign versus smart campaign. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this, and which campaign is suitable for your business. So Google Smart Campaigns. So earlier it was known as AdWord Express, and the AdWords, that is Google AdWords, now it is known as Google Ads. So smart campaigns and search campaigns both are the part of Google Ads. The main difference between these two is the control. In Google Smart Campaign, so the control will be in Google's hand. In search campaign, the control will be in your hand. So basically in Google Smart Campaigns, you set up your account, build a single ad, select your business category, set up your budget, and that's it. But however, in Google Ads, you have control over your entire campaign. So you can choose ad tags, ad formats, bidding, keyword selection, scheduling, so almost everything. So in Google Smart Campaigns, you can see what keywords Google choose for you, but you cannot adjust them. Google Ads requires consistent attention and optimization. So there is no such time commitment when it comes to Google Smart Campaigns. We will study in detail what are the major differences between Smart Campaign and Search Campaign. As I said earlier, so in Smart Campaign, you can see what keywords Google choose for you, but you cannot adjust them. So when you go to the reports, it will show the which keywords the Google is using or on which keywords your ad is displaying. But you can do little bit modification, but you cannot fully adjust them. But in search campaigns, it allows for several keyword types. So basically, like there are 4 types of keyword types. That is one is broad match. So here it will like everything is considered, like it will show for everything. And broad match modifier, and then comes phrase match, and then comes exact match. So this is a all different topic, so we'll study it later. So in search campaign, it allows for several keyword types. So you can specifically select the keyword, and even you can have the negative keyword optimization. So in smart campaign, this option is not available. A smart campaign requires no time. You can set it and forget it. A search campaign requires consistent attention and optimization. Here you need to spend more time to understand the data which is provided by Google. You need to understand that data and analyze it. And according to that, you need to optimize your ad or your campaign. In smart campaign, you have no control. Everything will be taken care by Google AI. So here you have full control, where in search campaign, you have full control over your entire campaign. So a smart campaign, it is basically suitable for small businesses where there are no specific people or the team to take care of marketing. But in such campaign, dedicated persons are needed to take care of the campaign. So here it requires a specific person or the team to look after this. So it is usually like suitable for medium and large businesses. And this smart campaign, it is usually like suitable for like low budgets. Such campaign is suitable for moderate to high budgets. In smart campaign, so if you are a local business that can't afford an outside agency to run your Google Ads account, smart campaigns are for you. So similar to the previous one, it is. And here in such campaign, it requires separate person or a team to take care of the campaign, and company's budget increases. So in smart campaign, it is simple. Within 15 to 20 minutes, you can start your campaign. But search campaign, in other words, it is complex. So it requires your more time and optimization. Here, smart campaign, ROI is less, and in search campaign ROI is more. So now what is ROI? ROI is nothing but a return on investment. So how it is less, I will explain. In smart campaign, what happens? So I have explained about you about the keyword types. So basically in smart campaigns, it will be broad match. So what will happen if it is a broad match? So Google will show to everyone. So here irrelevance will increase because the people, it will show to the people who are not interested in your business. So as a result of which your impressions will increase, but the clicks, number of clicks, what you are going to get, that will be less. So as a result, your CTR will affect, will downgrade. So now Google will come to conclusion that it's the whatever your campaign is that, so that the CTR is less. So it will not recommend your ad or it will not show. So once it will not show or once if it's not showing means will not get the enough number of clicks. So as a result of which you will get end up in less sales. So therefore return on investment will be less. But whereas in search campaign, it will show to the right audiences, the people who are interested in your business. It will show to only those people who are interested in your business. So as a result of which your number of impressions will reduces, therefore CTR improves. So once CTR is improved, Google will recommend your ads. It will show, okay, in Google search engines or in like everywhere. It's partner websites. So once it starts showing, you will have enough number of clicks or you will have more number of clicks. Once you will get more number of clicks, you will get more leads and more sales. Therefore, ROI is more. So in smart campaign, you will not get detailed reports. You will get some surface level reports like number of clicks, number of impressions. So you will get only basic reports, but here you will get detailed reports. You will be getting CPC, you will be getting, you will get more. Okay, so, but whereas in smart campaign, there is no such option. So in fact, in a recent study, by Bright Local, the majority of marketers surveyed, and they have stated that the regular Google ad campaigns, such as search campaigns or display campaigns, okay, so the regular Google ad campaigns were much more effective than the smart campaigns. So as you can see from the picture below, so see here, 77% of the people what they are telling that AdWords is a lot of like a lot more effective compared to smart campaigns. So here comes the conclusion. So you may be getting confused. So which one to use? Shall I go for smart campaign or search campaign? So we discuss the points here. So to conclude, what I can say is, if you are a beginner who don't have knowledge about the Google Ads, how it performs, then you can begin with the smart campaign. So you can create a smart campaign, learn about it, understand about it, analyze about it. Okay, so start with a small budget. So once you get complete understanding, then you can go for such campaign. So you got it. The first point is it is smart campaigns are for the like beginners. And the second point is the smart campaign is basically for those who are like busy. Sometimes in an organization, what happens, a person has to take care of all the things like he has to look after the sales, he has to look after the marketing, he has to look after operations, everything. So for that type of organization or for that type of a person, smart campaigns basically suitable. Okay, so it is basically like suitable for small businesses or the small budgets. Okay, So, but when you have a like a dedicated person or separate team to take care of marketing things, so you must use the search campaign. So search campaigns are the best. So I hope you understand. Thank you. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.